Tarantulas don't live in a burrow, they will spin a web. When the insect gets into the web, the tarantula will catch it. Tarantulas eat frogs and mice. The tarantula catches its prey with its strong claws.
Right now, we are learning about tarantulas. Tarantulas are not insects. Could someone raise their hand and tell me what the difference is between an insect and an arachnid, like a tarantula? We said the difference between an insect and arachnid, like a tarantula, is that arachnids and most spiders have 8 legs, while insects have 6. Now, the tarantula that we have at school, also known as the Goliath bird eater, does not spin a web like most spiders do because they burrow underground, or in other words, they make a hole and they live in that, while some tarantulas do make webs, so it just depends.
Okay, so today we're going to be making our tarantula. If you follow directions when we walked in, you should have picked up 4 of the small pieces. So let me count how many have. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 are stuck together, 4. So I have what I need from the small. And if you follow directions, you need 2 of the long, really fuzzy feeling pipe cleaners here. So 2 of the long ones. How many short ones? I hope you said 4. You need 2 and 4 before we can begin. Raise your hand, or I'm sorry, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to begin. Now, making a tarantula out of pipe cleaner can be very hard. I don't want you to get frustrated today. What I want you to do, if you need help today, is I want you to either raise your hand, or better yet, ask a friend nearby who knows the answer and ask them to help you before you get frustrated. This will be hard, but that's okay. Art class is fun when art class is hard. So I'm gonna take those 4 small pipe cleaners and I'm gonna hold them horizontally in front of me. So it means from side to side. No, I'm not holding them up and down. I'm gonna hold them from side to side like this, so I can see that I have all 4. Now, this is the tricky part. I want you to watch closely. I'm gonna hold one side with one hand. With the other hand, I'm gonna take my thumb on the other side and then my fingers on the top, and I'm gonna find the center and twist. Twist 1 time. So it should look like this, and then twist 1 more time around, and it'll look like this. So twist 2 times, and it should look something like this. So you'll have to twist the middle. Give me a thumbs up once you have it. Remember, if you need help today, you can raise your hand or you can ask someone nearby who knows the answer. I want you to notice that even though these might turn out to be the legs of my tarantula, they're not all perfect. Some are shorter than others. That's okay. These kind of things happen. What you're gonna do now is you're going to take that really long, shiny piece of pipe cleaner and you are going to twist it around the middle. So I took it, I went under, over, over. I'm twisting it around like a rope all the way around and around and around and around and around and around until there is no more. But did you notice? See that little pokey thing? Ow! That pokey thing needs to go. It is not very safe. You're going to take your finger and you are going to push it down where it won't poke people. Please do not poke people with this. That would not be very respectful. That would show me that you're not ready for this project. Give me a thumbs up once you have wrapped the shiny one around the middle. Remember, you can raise your hand or ask a person next to you. Okay, good job. So this is where it can be really tricky. We're gonna take our piece of really shiny pipe cleaner and we're gonna make the abdomen. That's that really big back part of the spider. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your pipe cleaner right up to the side of the twist that we just did. You're gonna take the top, you're gonna twist that around, just a little bit at the top. You don't need to twist the whole thing. So it should kind of look like this. It kind of looks like a spider on a leash, but that's not what we're making. So what you're gonna do now is you are going to bend it back. Bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it. Like this. And that's gonna make our imaginary abdomen. You can make it a small abdomen. You can make it a big abdomen. It is up to you. I'm gonna make mine about this size. And I am going to wrap my pipe cleaner all the way around. And it should look something like this. This is where you get to bend the legs. So you're gonna bend them like this. Bend them down so that your spider can walk around. And when you put him on the table, he should look something like this. So today, I will be helping you put your spider onto your spider web. I will call each person when I get to your watercolor paper. That way I will look at it and know that you're ready. I'll call you up. You'll need to bring your tarantula with you. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna tell me where you want it on your spider web. Do you want it crawling on the side? Do you want your tarantula right in the middle? And I think that I will put mine in the middle. So this is what I will do. This will be the teacher job. You won't do this. You're gonna stand behind me as I put a little glue. I want mine right in the middle. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue, and then I will press down your tarantula right into that glue. I'll hold it for a few seconds. How many seconds do we always hold it for? I hope you said 10 seconds. Well, it's been more than maybe 5 seconds, so I'm just gonna count a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your spider should be glued down. But we are not done yet. I'm also gonna give you the option of adding an abdomen. Remember, an abdomen is the big part of the tarantula that is on its backside. Now you can choose one of these big pom-pom balls. This can be your abdomen. So you could take it and we could glue it right here. But let's say you like your spider the way it is. Just let me know that you like it the way it is and we won't have to glue it on. But I think that I'm going to put this blue one on as my abdomen. So I will do that now. So I went ahead and added some hot glue to make my abdomen. And now it looks like it has a big old blue abdomen. And now we are ready to put this in the hallway. I will put this to the side and I will call on the next person. Now here's the thing, I can only call up people who are working, who are using their time wisely. If you are not showing me you are ready, then I cannot call on you to come up and hot glue your tarantula. You need to choose either doing whiteboard, free draw, you could write a story, or you could do a coloring sheet. Those are your options. I will call you up, but I can only call on you if you're showing me that you're ready. Before we begin the hot glue, I will call on tables to go ahead and choose their activity.